that's good, Carmine. Okay, so now we want to go an inch on this side.
Pause the video. Yeah. Pause the video.
Yeah, pause the video, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, keep it going. Keep the pressure on keep the pressure on the whole time. Don't move it around too much. Just straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight up. Nice. And be careful, after you're done, that drill bit will get very hot because of the friction, okay? So never touch it with your hands after you drill. Put one hand back here, bud, and push down a little bit, yeah. There you go. There you go, yep.
Oh, Dad, the water rises.
I know. Put that on because of we're displacing the volume.
But I don't know how.
Just like when we put rocks in the water, and hey, remember the graduated cylinder? We put rocks in the bottle, yeah. And the water level rises up. Same thing here. We're displacing because where the post is at, the water can't be.
I don't know how.
Here. Lucas, get that garbage, put it in the white bucket, please, and wash it because my phone's going. So don't bump. Yeah, don't bump the white bucket. Okay, Lucas? Okay. Put the ears in the bucket too. Thank you.
All right.
Yep, you're gonna do that. Lucas, you're gonna stay over there downwind so you're not getting concrete on you.
No, I'm just gonna do this, Dad. So it stays around my mouth. Oh my God.
Stand over here. You're downwind. Stand here.
What?
No, not you. You stay there. Hold this. All right, let's get this sort of level again. On. No, go on the other side. Other side. No, I mean the other side of this post. How's it looking?
Even. Even. Right now is even. Right now.
Okay, hold it.
This is sunny. Oh my God.
Okay, come stand over here. Carmine, stand here. Okay, hold on. Need to get more in there so it can move too much. Try to hold it, bud.
Should I just hold it there?
No, you just try to hold this in place.
How? I'm good. Oh yeah, got it.
Just gotta soak up all that water, bro. And the ground's probably still too wet to even be doing this. But look at it, look how much water's here, bro. It's gonna be a mess. Oh. Damn it. Well, whatever.
Water's leaking over here.
I know, because I put too much, well, not too much, but...
Little bits.
Well.
Yeah, I should have put my 3 fingers in there. I'm giving a texture to that.
Okay, bro, this side's pretty good. So listen, let's not touch it, okay? Let's try not to touch it. I'm gonna pack it down a little bit like this. Put some more in over here.
So it like pushes all the water up so it dries out.
Yeah, and plus more concrete's going in then.
Yeah.
It's gonna secure it a little more. Why don't you get this stick? Why don't you start working it in there? okay? Lucas, you're doing good, buddy. Keep an eye on things over there. You can clean up the job site a little bit, Lucas. Grab those extra gloves. Lucas, grab those extra gloves there. Put them in the white bucket.
I'll bring some over.
Yeah, as long as you keep pushing it, just keep pushing it down there and that water keeps pushing out, bro. That's actually perfect.
Dad?
You want to get as much concrete in here as possible.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, pause it.
You can turn that off. You can unpause the stop. Nice, you're strong, Carmine.